We're making a Mind Flayer. I decided to make it three-dimensional based on this reference. I already had enough flat elements in two toys, so I wanted to try something new. I'm starting to sculpt the frame using non-sticky polygel. I start with the head, making it right away in several thick drops to create volume in the middle, exactly where I need it. I carefully shape all of this with a brush. Basically, non-sticky polygel has a really cool texture. It kind of self-levels, so the surface stays smooth. Next comes the torso, which I'll file down a bit later. I check the size to make sure my guy will fit into the toy because it would be such a shame if I sculpt him so beautifully and then he doesn't fit. By the way, spoiler alert, he didn't fit, but I found a way out of the situation. I add some more dimensional elements to the head. I file everything nicely so the shape is exactly how I want it. I sneak a peek at the reference from time to time. With a straight surfaced bit, I give him this tight little waist. Next, I start adding volume with a non-sticky silvery shade of polygel. Not because it's some kind of strategic move, but simply because I ran out of white polygel and needed something light. I add volume, I add vein. He's got like abs like that. I attach the head onto a drop of the same polygel, leaving a small gap and tilting it at about 45 degrees. With a brush, I immediately press down all the edges and notice that the tip of the head doesn't fit in. Well, what can you do? It doesn't fit, so it doesn't fit. So we'll just make it even more voluminous, as if it's sticking out beyond the toy's boundaries. And for that, I'll need some voluminous tentacle. Using a simple tool like sticks of double-sided tape and a bottle of gel polish, I make voluminous tentacles, all from the same non-sticky polygel. I attach them directly to my base, remove the bottle, and end up with these cool tentacles. Some of the tentacles I made separately because it seemed easier that way. I attach all of them using the same polygel. And by the way, if you don't cure the tentacles completely, they'll stay quite flexible and you can stretch them to whatever diameter you need. This material is similar to modeling clay, and you can immediately blend out the edges of the material to nothing. I attach the ends of the tentacles last. These are like three-fingered pincers. I also try to make them three-dimensional. I finish assembling the tentacles, carefully blending all the attachment points. I try the piece on the toy again and see where each tentacle will be positioned. I attach my three-fingered claw to the very top tentacle, and the rest are left out as unnecessary. I need to trim them a bit so they don't hang where they shouldn't. I mark the boundary of the area with a pencil and then trim off all the excess with scissors. The Mind Flayer is ready. All that's left is to paint it. We can't just leave it so pale, can we? To be continued.